Good morning, children. This is your English period, so kindly get ready for the class and take out your English literature books. We are going to do exercise of this chapter number 3, True Friends. So children, kindly open page number 26. We are going to do this comprehension A. Clear? So the question says, match the words from the story with their meanings. So we have to match it. These are the words and these are the meanings. We have to match it. Okay. So the first word is troubled. So what is the meaning of troubled? Troubled means beta disturb हो जाना, आपको बहुत मुश्किल होना. That is called disturb. The meaning of troubled is disturbed. Okay. Number 2 is neighboring. While I was explaining the chapter, I told you the meaning of neighboring. Neighboring means nearby. That means पास में. Mark it with nearby. Okay. So neighboring means आप बोलते हैं ना neighborhood यानी पड़ोसी. So neighborhood से ही neighbor से neighborhood बना and neighborhood से neighboring. Clear? So mark number 2 here nearby and mark number 1 disturbed. Number 3 is disappointed. Disappointed का मतलब होता है sad, upset. So mark upset as number 3. Number 4 is abruptly. Abruptly means अचानक से, suddenly. So mark suddenly as the meaning of abruptly. Number 5 is misfortune. Misfortune means bad luck. कुछ बुरा होना. Clear? So mark it with bad luck. Number 6 is scared. Scared means feared or afraid. डर जाना. So mark it with afraid. Number 7 is astonished. Astonished means surprise हो जाना. Okay. So mark it with surprised. Number 8 trapped. Trapped means जैसे हंटर ने नेट में ट्रैप कर लिया था टर्टल को, इसी तरह ट्रैप करना मीन्स पकड़ लेना, जकड़ लेना. सो दैट इज़ कॉट. Clear? So mark it with caught. So children, this exercise you have to do it in the book itself. Do not copy down in your English literature copies. Okay, you don't need to write it in English literature copies. You have to do this exercise in the book itself. So coming to page number 27, open page number 27. We are going to do C exercise. I am going to read out the question. On the basis of your reading of the story, write the characteristics of 4 friends and complete the following table. Children, you already read the chapter. I have explained you the story. So now on the basis of the story के basis पे आपको क्या करना है, characteristics लिखने हैं सारे friends के. Characteristics means विशेषताएं, यानी कैसे थे वो लोग, उनका नेचर कैसा था, उनका बिहेवियर कैसा था, वो हमें लिखना है इस बॉक्स पे. राइट. सो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे स्पैरो का. सो व्हाट वर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ स्पैरो. स्पैरो वॉज वेरी क्लेवर. She was very clever. How we can tell she was very clever? Because Sparrow ही idea लेके आई थी that we have to do this to the hunter, right? We have to free the turtle. So Sparrow was very clever since she came with the idea of getting free the turtle, right? And number 2 feature of Sparrow is affectionate. Affectionate means loving, caring. So Sparrow अपने फ्रेंड्स की तरफ बहुत लविंग थी, केयरिंग थी, तभी वो आइडिया लेके आई थी कि हमें ऐसे हंटर को फंसाना है और हमें टर्टल को उसके जाल से निकालना है. राइट. स्पैरो वॉज ऑल्सो फेयरलेस बिकॉज वो जल्दी से ब्रांच पे ऊपर चढ़ गई थी. राइट. सो माउस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ माउस इज़ टैलेंटेड. हाउ टैलेंटेड? माउस कैसे, हम क्यों कह सकते हैं कि माउस टैलेंटेड था? बिकॉज माउस ने ही अपनी हिम्मत से, ब्रेवरी से उस नेट को काटा था. दैट इज़ वाई माउस इज़ टैलेंटेड. माउस करेजियस भी है. करेजियस मीन्स बहादुर, ब्रेव. सो उसने जल्दी गया और नेट को काट दिया अपने दांतों से, शार्प टीथ से, एंड टर्टल को फ्री कर दिया. फास्ट, यस, वॉज वेरी हरीडली माउस वेंट टू द टर्टल एंड बाइट ऑल द नेट एंड देन ही फ्रीड द टर्टल. अब टर्टल की क्या विशेषताएं थी? टर्टल कैसा था? टर्टल वॉज स्लो, बहुत धीरे चलता था, इसीलिए अपने आप को सेव नहीं कर पाया हंटर के ट्रैप से. ट्रबल्ड, बहुत डिस्टर्ब हो गया था, उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या करना है. एंड वॉज ऑल्सो स्कैर्ड. टर्टल वॉज ऑल्सो अफ्रेड व्हेन ही कॉट बाय द हंटर. डियर स्मार्ट था, डियर ब्रेव था एंड डियर केयरिंग था. डियर केयरिंग था फॉर हिज फ्रेंड्स एंड डियर ब्रेव था. वाई? बिकॉज ही लेड डाउन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द हंटर without fearing his life, and he was very smart of coming with this idea of laying down in front of the hunter. Clear, children? So I hope you will do this exercise in the book itself. You have to write it in book itself only. Do not copy down in your copies. Children, don't worry, just watch the video right now. I will send you the photos in the WhatsApp group. So children, in the next exercise, that is A, encircle the words which are spelled correctly. Children, हमें क्या करना है इस एक्सरसाइज में? हमें सर्कल करना है उन वर्ड्स को जो करेक्टली स्पेलिंग है, जिनकी स्पेलिंग्स करेक्ट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नंबर 1 इज़ स्विमिंग. सो स्विमिंग की स्पेलिंग क्या होती है? SWIMMING, नॉट दिस वन. सो दिस इज़ द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्विमिंग. सो यू हैव टू circle it. Okay, number 2 is fortunate. So we pronounce it as fortunate, not fortunate. This is for, है ना. हम fortunate को fortunate नहीं बोलते, fortunate बोलते हैं. So for is, तो ये spelling correct होगी, right? Number 3 is branches. Branches में here you can see double H, here you can see single H. So children, in the nouns and number chapter, I have already explained you that whenever the word ends with ch, then we have to write es to make it plural. So you have to mark this. This is the correct spelling of branches. And fourth one is writing. So beta, the base word of writing is write. Correct? ये write, ये base word है. So whenever we have to convert it into continuous or adverb or adjective, we see the last word, right? So this last word ends with the vowel. What are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So it ends with E. So while making it into ing form, so we have to double the second last. Children, we have to, when we have to make it in the ing form, then we will remove e and we will write ing. So this is the correct spelling of writing. Number 5th is 80. So you have learned the spellings of 1, 2, 3, 5. You have learned the spellings of all the numbers, right? So the correct spelling of 8 and 80. Clear? Number 6 is weather. So weather की spelling बेटा ये नहीं होगी, ये correct spelling है weather. Number 7th is childhood and childrenhood. So which is the correct word? Childhood is the correct word. What is childhood? Childhood is a phase which starts from infancy, यानी कि आपके बचपन के दिन, that is starts from 0 age group to 8 to 10 age group. So we do not say childrenhood, we say childhood. Children जो है वो child का plural form है, so we say childhood यानी कि बचपना, right? Number 8 is enemy. Enemy means दुश्मन, so this is the correct spelling of enemy. Number 9th is different. So how do we pronounce different? Different, यानी different, okay? We do not pronounce as different, right? So this is the correct spelling of different. Number 10th is truly. So truly बेटा बेस वर्ड क्या है truly का? True, right? So true जब भी हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं किसी भी वर्ड को एडजेक्टिव में या एडवर्ब में, सो वी रिमूव द लास्ट लेटर, यानी वी रिमूव द लास्ट वाल ऑफ द वर्ड एंड वी राइट ly. So this is the correct spelling of truly. So children, in today's session we are going to do this much only. I hope you understood these exercise, and kindly complete these exercise in your book itself. I will send you the photographs in the WhatsApp group for you. So children, as soon as you complete it, kindly revert me with the pictures of your completed work in the WhatsApp group. I will check and I will tell you where you have made mistakes. Okay, so children, this much for the session, and thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.